Hi everyone, I'm going to talk about our power cleaner. Now, I've just had a brand new garden put in and it really is all sparkly, brand new, got, lovely patio areas now. So I've got some power cleaner to clean it because when the dogs get in the soil, they got all the feet across it and I want to keep it nice and clean because it's cost enough to get done. So this power cleaner really is powerful. It's not just, you can't wipe your worktops down with this in the kitchen. That's what this multi-surface is for. This is a lot stronger. I've had to write notes on this one because it really can do so much. So as you can see, it's a big litre bottle. It's huge amount of product that you're going to get in there. This sells for £6.50, but if you are a member of FM as a preferred customer, you can get this for £5.50, and that'll give you 15 points towards some cash bonus at the end of the month as well. Right, so it cleans laminates, it cleans tiles, it cleans terracotta, patios, lino, floor tiles, and it removes dirt and oils as well. Now, you can use it in your house, on your kitchen floor. You can use it in garages, workshops, greenhouses. So this is really strong stuff, but the best thing is where else you can use it. You can use it on cobblestones, fencing. It washes terraces down and wash your work clothes. You could actually put this in the washer to wash work clothes. So if you're a mechanic or work with grease and oil, this will shift it. It'll break it down. You can use it on car upholstery. You can clean engines with it. I don't know anything about that. Maybe the father-in-law will because he's a mechanic, but you can clean engines with it, however that works. And you can do the oven and fireplace glass with it as well. So it's really strong stuff to break down grease and oils, and that's what it's created for. It's got everything in it to break it all down. So that's why I've got it, to do my garden and to get all the floor nice and sparkly clean for in the summer when I'm sitting on my patio drinking my gin. So if you would like to order some, comment below, or if you want to order it at wholesale, sign up as a free preferred customer, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.